to my channel XOXL. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this once a week. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Instagram is Rochelle_XOX and Twitter is XOX_Rochelle. Woo! So I'm super excited to show you this video. And drum roll, because you probably can guess what it is. Why I'm super excited. So let's get right into this video. This video is going to be all about my Influenster Sunday Voxbox that I received. So I'm super excited to show you guys this. I'm going to unbox it. It is the sundayriley #ComeClean, and it is the ceramic slip cleanser. So if you guys don't have Influenster, I highly recommend it. Download the app. Use my referral code down below. I've received at least 9 Voxboxes, and all these products are free. All I have to do is disclose that I got them for free and review them, and then you get more product. So why not? So this is a full size of the sundayriley ceramic slip cleanser. I'm super excited to try this because I've always wanted to. And honestly, it's a little pricey, I think. I don't know how much it is, but I feel like sundayriley stuff is generally like kind of pricey. So this is the ceramic slip cleanser. This is the box that it comes in. And it is for all skin types. It is French green clay and rice oil esters. Gentle plant-based cleanser pulls out impurities while pulling in clean hydration for smaller looking pores and clean radiant complexion, which is what I need. So I'm super excited to try this. It's all sealed up. But yes, I can't wait. I love skincare, as you all know, and I'm not going to take that off right now. But I love the packaging. I love the like blue and the silver. I love that I got this for free. Like honestly, like if you don't sign up, what are you doing? All you have to do is literally take surveys and review products on there, and you'll get ones sent to you. I think there was a Kat Von D one recently. I've gotten a lip one. I've gotten a self-tan one, which I'll link up here. I'll link all of my playlist of my Influencer Voxbox unboxings up here as well, so that way you guys can watch what I've received, and that way you guys can sign up too. So my link will be down below, so that way you can sign up. I got the L'Oreal self-tan. I've gotten, the other one is around here somewhere. I've gotten 2 Laura Mercier ones. I've gotten a Becca setting powder, and everything that I've tried honestly has been really, really good, and so I truly appreciate it, and I really think that Influencer is a great platform. It is a great way to get products out there, and I love it. I really do. And yeah, so don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Bye guys!